Today I am going to make this animated resume. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. Go to Elements. Add a circle frame. Add your picture here. Duplicate the page. Drag the image to the little upside. Add a text and write your name. Change the font to Montserrat. Duplicate the text and write your profession. Split both text lengths from the layer option. Go to the first page and select your image. Go to Animate and apply the succession animation. Select the texts and apply the rise animation. Add a new page. Change the color to a gradient. Add a text. Change the transparency to 10. Select Montserrat font. Again, add a text. Duplicate the text. Again, duplicate the text. Again, duplicate the text and write the details. I am using Lorem Ipsum dummy text. Go to Elements and search for the circle. Filter only animated to circle. Add this. Select these two texts and apply typewriter animation. Duplicate the text and write the other details. Add a new page. Add a text. Change the color to white. Change the transparency to 10. Again, add a text box and write all the skills. Go to Elements and search for the bar. Add this. Add a new page. Add a text. Write your name. Change the font to signature. Add a text. Add a line shape. Click here and add the match and move transition. Add slide transition here with 1 second length. Also add slide transition here. Also add slide transition here. Here, add the slide transition in the right direction. Page timing will be 4 seconds and apply to all pages. Again, click on the first page and change the page timing to 3 seconds. Click to this page and change the page timing to 3 seconds. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.